Good morning, everybody. Workshop Wednesday, day before Thanksgiving. Here we go. Yep, got the bags packed. Headed to my mom and dad's in Sheffield. Gonna have a big old time. See lots of family I haven't seen in a long time. So, a very merry, happy Thanksgiving to all y'all out there. And I do have a little tip this morning, and it's something that so y'all see the spurs I'm engraving. Pretty nice, fancy little pair of spurs, and a lot of fun, exciting things going on there. So. There's a little tip there that something I've learned over the last couple of years, and I had a question this week from a good friend that we got talking about engraving and talking about the shine and the buff and everything that you have on metal. A little tip, something that I'm doing now more often is I'm finishing my steel on the fancy stuff and the stuff that I'm engraving the steel on, like this pair of spurs. Just take it to like a 600-800 grit finish. Don't buff it. The buff, the shine that happens on steel reflects light back at you. There's a refraction. So if you engrave that shiny metal, and this goes for silver too, my silversmithing buddies are probably going to say, no, and that's okay. I still love you guys. But I'm putting more of a, well, it's an 800 grit finish. It's kind of coarse, I was going to say, kind of a matte. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't shine. It doesn't reflect light back at you and compete with the engraving. So y'all might try this. Just play with it and see what happens. Us cowboys, we think if it's shiny, we're like raccoons. If it's shiny, we like it. And so this is going against the grain a little bit, but y'all are familiar enough with me to know that I'll go upstream every now and then, bump my head and carry on. So anyhow, y'all try it. Hope it works. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Enjoy families. Cherish every moment you have with them, and we'll see you next week. Adios.